Get out of there.
You've got some macaroni on your nose, buddy. Yeah, it happens. Don't throw macaroni. Oh, so tired. You want the fork? Here. Here you go. I gave you the fork. You gonna use it? You want the bowl? Okay. There you go.
You know what else I think is really funny about Simpsons?
Is that how you eat, buddy? Why don't you take some out? Good. There you go. Nom 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 nom.
Do you know one of the funniest